Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I am creating another lamp and I will be using similar materials. I am using more foam balls. I have 3 different sizes. And this is the lamp that I'll be using today, and it seems like everybody and their mother has this lamp. I'll be spray painting it gold first. And this lamp will be going to my friend Yanni. So I hope you like this lamp, girl. I am finding the line in the middle, and I'm going to be taking my drill and drilling a hole through the center. And this is how it looked when it was finished. Next, I'll be taking my box cutter and cutting out a little slice in the foam ball. And I am doing this because I can't physically slide the ball down the lamp. So I am going to cut a slice so I can pop the ball on the side of the lamp. And this is how it looked when it was finished. And also, if you're confused, you can look at the previous video of the lamp I made before this one, the boho lamp, and you can get more details. And this is how it looked when it was finished. After I drilled all the holes, I started to attach them to the lamp, and this is how it looked. And I made sure to put the biggest foam ball in the middle. These right here are mirror tiles that I got from Amazon, and I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. And I'm going to be adding these in between the foam balls, and I've already pre-measured out how much space I went in between, and the most space that I did leave out was on the top and the bottom of the lamp. I then turned the lamp around, and I'm going to add extra tile in the back. And this is how it looked when all the pieces were attached. Next, I decided to add little strips underneath the top and bottom of the balls, and that is just to secure that the balls won't slide up and down later on. And the last thing I did to make sure the balls were secure was to add a piece of tape around the pieces that I cut open. Next, I'll be using gold leaf paper and Mod Podge to cover the ball. So I'm using the gold leaf paper to add some texture to the ball, but I am going to then go over it with the spray paint afterwards. And this part is definitely optional because you can go ahead and skip this part if you like and just cover each ball with the Mod Podge and let it dry and then spray paint it. But each ball would have to be covered with the Mod Podge because if not, the ball will start to sizzle if you put spray paint to it just bare. So this is how it looked when I added all the gold leaf paper to it. After it dried, I went over it with another layer of Mod Podge, and I am going to let this dry as well. And this is how it looked when it dried. As you can see, there are still little patches in it. If you'd like, you can go over it again or as many times as you need to cover the ball, and you don't have to use spray paint. But I chose to use the spray paint just to match with the metallic mosaic tiles that I use on the pole of the lamp. And as you can see, I'm covering the poles with the napkins to protect it from the spray paint. And this is how the lamp turned out. I think it is so beautiful and unique. Please let me know in the comments if you guys like this one or the DIY boho lamp better. Shout out to Ara Nails for making me this custom set. She gives you the freedom to style and design your own set. Each set comes with a nail kit, including glue that lasts up to 2 weeks. And the best part about these nails are that they're reusable. I'll be sure to leave the link in the description box below. Make sure you use code GLITTER for 20% off. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.